we're opening packs. The Prisms draft picks. We got this on our first pack. I just had to make a video on this next one. Let's see what we get. I want Mac Jones. Mac Jones, Mac Jones. Red, white, and blue. Mac Jones.
No. Dalvin Cook. Tyler Lockett. And a Mac Jones.
Awesome. Here, sleeve it. I'll sleeve it here in a minute. I say before you even... Cool, got a Mac Jones. That's all I want right now. Mac Jones, Mac Jones, Mac Jones, Mac Jones.
Okay, now the rest of them. We have Tyler McLaurin. Not a Prism.
When you drop them, face them that way.
Matt Ryan. Not a Prism. Miles Sanders. Not a Prism. George Kittle. Not a Prism.
What do you mean? They're all Prisms. You mean the silver?
Yeah, oh, that's what I mean. Russell Wilson. Not a silver. Daryl Henderson.
Come on, Mac Jones, Mac Jones.
That's a silver. Green.
Cool. Mac Jones, Mac Jones.
Okay, I guess you don't want this one then.
Which one's that one?
Trey Lance.
Oh yeah, I want that one too. You know I'm looking for Trey Lance too. Alrighty.
Emmer Smith Marset.
With my Mac Jones over here.
That's a rookie. Put him there. Kenneth Gainwell. Another rookie. Trevor Lawrence.
Oh, cool. Trevor Lawrence, of course. Alright.
And Trey Sermon. Another rookie. That's it.
Okay, out of this
That's
pack
for
we
that
got...
pack.
Well, I want Trevor Lawrence and I want Mac Jones.
And Trey Lance.
And yeah.
So we got 3 good ones.
Cool. Okay. Goodbye, everybody.